In the neighborhood of House Khas lived Priya, a law student with her parents. In 1993, she started her LLB course. She met Santosh, a fellow law student. In 1994, when he completed his course and left the campus, he became obsessed with Priya. This is a dark tale of stalking, fear, and an unimaginable crime. This is her story and his. Santosh persistently followed, harassed, and intimidated Priya with ulterior motives, prompting her to lodge multiple police complaints. In response, the commissioner assigned a personal security officer, Ranjit, for her protection. In retaliation, Santosh lodged a formal complaint with the university authorities, accusing Priya of flouting university norms, alleging that she was enrolled in 2 courses at once. Soon, a show-cause notice was issued to Priya, threatening her future. After her classes, Priya left the campus, guarded by Ranjit. She arrived home and asked Ranjit to leave and return in the evening. At that time, her servant, Veer, was with her. Veer left to visit his friend and returned in the evening. Shortly after, he went to purchase medicines and later took the dog for a walk. Meanwhile, Santosh arrived at Priya's house. Ranjit reached Priya's house at about 5:30 p.m. along with Constable Dev and spotted Priya's dead body, and thereafter informed the police about the incident. Minutes before the incident, the accused Santosh was seen standing at Priya's doorstep. The police reached the spot and found Priya's body lying under the double bed. The cord of the heat convector was found tied around her neck. Upon a complaint by Priya's father, an FIR was lodged. The investigation was taken up by Inspector Mohan, who found broken pieces of glass near the body. He sent the body for a post-mortem. He recorded statements from multiple individuals, including Raji, who was suspicious about Santosh. The police photographers documented the crime scene to serve as crucial evidence in the case. The medical experts who conducted the post-mortem examination identified multiple ante-mortem injuries and concluded that the cause of death was asphyxia due to strangulation by a ligature caused by a soft or smooth surface exerting pressure around the neck. The injuries were violent, deliberate, grievous, and fatal. Santosh's injuries were examined too. The doctors stated that the injuries were grievous, caused by a blunt object. The doctors conducting the post-mortem collected 2 vaginal swabs, blood and hair samples, and crime scene articles were sealed. The case was transferred to CBI and re-registered it as RC. During the investigation, the CBI seized Santosh's underwear and collected his blood samples. The CBI also collected the exhibits of Priya's with post-mortem report, a sample seal from Safdarjung Hospital, along with the Santosh blood samples were sent for forensic analysis. For DNA analysis, according to report, the accused semen was found on Priya's undergarments and in the vaginal swabs. Santosh's underwear, helmet without visor, and crime scene articles were sent to CFSL, and their forensic report pointed towards involvement of Santosh in the crime. After the conclusion of the investigation, a charge sheet was filed against Santosh. The case came up for hearing, and the court framed charges against Santosh for rape and murder. The accused pleaded not guilty. During the trial, the prosecution examined as many as 50 witnesses. Despite overwhelming evidence, the trial court acquitted Santosh of rape and murder charges, citing procedural lapses and questioning the police investigation. The verdict shocked many. An appeal was filed before the Delhi High Court, and the trial court's verdict of acquittal was overturned on the ground that the trial court had ignored overwhelming evidence. The court condemned the act, warning that leniency would set a dangerous precedent and undermine public trust in the justice system. The High Court reversed the acquittal given by the Sessions Court and held the accused Santosh guilty of rape and murder. The accused was sentenced to death. An appeal was made to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court of India later commuted the accused's death sentence to life imprisonment, citing mitigating factors. Justice was served, not with a rope, but with a lifetime behind bars. EdNectar, the world's first AI-powered legal simulation app, teaches users to be proficient at each stage of the criminal case trial from both sides, prosecution and defense. Experience a courtroom like never before.